Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to work on Lesson 10 of Hands-on Equations Fractions Level 2. Our equation says 5/3 y minus 2 equals 18. So now we will perform the original physical setup by grabbing 5/3 of y and then it tells us to take away 2. And we cannot take away 2 because there is not 2 there to take away. So there's a couple of ways we can do this. One way we can do this is to use the addition property of equality, where we add 2 to both sides so that we can take it away. That is one method that might work for us. We could also add a convenient 0. So I'm just going to kind of show you both ways really quick. So if we use the addition property of equality, we would add 2 to both sides, right? And then we can take away 2. So that's one way we can do this. The other way I was saying is we could add a convenient 0 to one side, and this is a value of 0. So now that this is a 0, we can take this one away, okay? Either way, when we simplify the equation, it's all going to end up being the same. Okay, so I'm going to use the addition property of equality for this one, and I'm going to take away 2, and then I'm going to put up 18 on the other side of my equation. Okay, so 5/3 of y, and this totals 20. Okay, so if 5/3 equals 20, then how much is 1/3? 1/3 is going to be 4, right? And if 1/3 y equals 4, then y would be 12. Okay? We're going to go ahead and go back to the original physical setup, which we already have, and we're going to check it. So this is 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. And this is 5, 3, 8, 18, and 20. So 20 equals 20, and we have a balanced system. Let's go ahead and try our next example. 7/6y minus 5 equals -19. We'll go ahead and set that up. We need 7/6. Take away 5. We don't have 5 to take away, so we have to put it there. So I'm going to use the convenient 0 this time. Okay, so that's a 0, and now I can take away 5, right? Equals a -19. All right. I can use the subtraction property of equality to solve this or simplify this. Take away -5, and if I take away -5 from here, I end up with -14. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6 equals 14, which means 1/6 would be equal to a -2. And if 1/6 y equals -2, then y is going to equal a -12. Okay. Reset to check. Back to the original physical setup, which is 7/6y, and we had to take away 5, right? So that's this. So -2, -4, -6, -8, -10, -12, -14, and -5 makes a -19, and -19 equals a -19. And so we have a balanced system. Everything checks out, and we are good to go. I will see you again in Lesson 11.